Go past me.
Don't come in her makeup tutorial. Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, it's ready whenever you are.
Okay. Doing it. Never did it on YouTube. Guys, we're gonna try this purple makeup first. And it's a shade of purple. If you guys can see. It's not pink.
You can pull it up to the camera.
Okay. You guys can see. It's purple. So you guys can see. I'm gonna rub it on my hands so you guys can really see the color. It's a little bit like lip gloss. So guys, I'm gonna try it on my lips. I'm gonna look at the mirror, guys, because I can't barely see it. Okay guys, so we can't really see it. Guys, I told you it's like a lip gloss, we can't really see it. But if you rub it some more, like the next layer, you can really see it. But I'm not gonna do that. Okay guys, so then I'm gonna go wash up my face. Then, okay.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, back guys. So I'm gonna do any meeny miny mo to do which one I'm gonna do next.
The blue is better.
No. Then I do choose. Okay, so I'm gonna start with yellow. Eeny, miny, miny, mo. Catcha, tiger, ralla, po. If you wanna let it go. Eeny, miny, miny, mo. Okay, so we got the blue. So.
Nighttime? Not nighttime, but like afternoon.
So we're gonna try this one.
Every other day.
You guys can see, I didn't tell you this earlier. It's a shape of a heart.
It is?
Yeah.
It's you versus for people.
Oh, that's cute.
Because it came in a package like this. So we're gonna see if it's actually blue. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm looking at my lipstick. If you guys can see, it's like not the color of blue, but if I said to do it a lot, you guys are gonna see the color. So we're gonna do a next video on this, and we're gonna see if we can really get the color on my lips. Now you guys can see the real color on my wrist. Okay, it's not coming on. Okay, there guys. You guys can see it. There's blue.
Ooh.
It's more shinier than the purple. Then we're gonna put the yellow right here, guys. So then I'm gonna go wash back my face now, guys. Because every time when I'm putting on my lipstick, I don't want to mix it up with the other color. Okay.
I can't even open it.
If you guys can see yellow or not.
Yellow?
Yeah.
It's not yellow?
Yes, look, it's yellow.
But it doesn't look yellow.
It's because the pink is in it.
Oh.
It turns the color a little bit of orangey. Okay, if you guys can see it, comment in the comments down below.
Yeah, comment in the comment down below. So tell them to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my video if you like tips. But if you want to see a next video on this, comment down below what is your favorite lipstick.
If you got the blue one, you got to show them. Yeah.
All these colors, blue if it's your favorite, yellow if it's your favorite, or purple if it's your favorite. Don't ask me pink if it's this. Don't ask me if this is pink, it's purple. Okay guys, stay sweet, peace out. Now get done the video, bye. Woo!
Video, how do you feel?
I think it's good.
You think it's good? I think it's good. High five. Yeah.
I got doctors up to
Now I'm riding low, I'm not shy.
Yeah, you're not shy. You could do YouTube.
Do YouTube.
Yeah.
Just like ordinary filming.
Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's normal.
I did a lot of videos on my phone.
You did?
Yeah.
Is it like